Step 1. Locate the height and width of the promo window of your carousel. There should be a comment in the project. In this tutorial, the width is 947 pixels and the height is 368 pixels. Step 2. Log into TTR and under the Site tab, select Update Site Promotions. Step 3. Update your new promo. Step 4. Under Multiple Page Display, make sure to check off the box next to Home, Width times Height. Step 5. Next to Image from Disk, press the Choose File button. Step 6. Select an image from your computer. Avoid any long or tall images. Rectangular images work best. If the dimensions are exactly the same, you may skip to Step 25. Right-click on your image and select Properties, then Details to view its dimensions. Step 7. Type in pixlr.com in your browser. Step 8. Click on Pixlr Express. Step 9. Click Open Image from Computer and select your promo image. Step 10. In the top left-hand corner of your window, you will see the dimension of your image. Step 11. If your image is larger than the promo window dimension specified in Step 1, click on Basic on the left-hand side of the screen, then select Crop. Step 12. Enter the width and height of the promo window from Step 1. In this case, 947 pixel wide and 368 pixels high, but do not press Apply yet. Step 13. A grid box will appear on the top of your promo image. Drag the box to frame your promo appropriately, and then press Apply. Step 14. If the image focus is too big from the cropped size and there is no space to put in your text, we must resize your image. Step 15. Press the Undo button located here. Your image is restored to its original size. Step 16. Click on Basic and then click on Resize. Experiment with resizing until you find a fit that allows for text. Make sure to keep the constrained proportions checked. Tip: if your promo window width is about 900 pixels, then the focus image, the vehicle, should take up about half the width, so roughly 450 pixels. Step 17. Now that the image is resized, click on Crop again. Enter the dimensions from Step 1, but do not press Apply yet. Drag your grid box over the image focus while keeping room for your text. Now press Apply. Step 18. Press Done. Pixlr Express will ask you to save. Click Save As and choose where to save your image on your computer. Step 19. To add text to your image, go back to pixlr.com, but choose Open Photo Editor instead. Step 20. Click on Open Image from Computer and select your edited image. Then click Open. Step 21. Click on the Text button here and click anywhere on the image. Step 22. A text box will appear allowing you to type in text, choose a font size, style, and color. Then click OK. Step 23. To displace your text, simply click on the Text button again, select your text, and move it accordingly. Step 24. Once the text is well placed, click on File, then Save. Then choose where to save your image on your computer. Step 25. In TTR, next to Image from Disk, press the Choose File button and select your newly edited promo image.